Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor adventure gear that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Meccer Fire Color Changing Packets. If you're someone who loves to add a touch of magic to your outdoor gatherings, this product is a budget-friendly way to take your campfires to the next level. These packets are designed to create a stunning, colorful display in your fire, producing vibrant hues like purples, greens, reds, and blues. The effect lasts longer than most fire color-changing products, up to 50 minutes, so you can enjoy a dazzling show without interruption. The design is simple yet effective. Just toss 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into the fire. The sealed packets ensure your hands don't come into contact with any chemicals, making them safe for use around kids and adults alike. They're compatible with wood-burning fireplaces, fire pits, and bonfires. Though it's worth noting they can't be used with propane or artificial gas logs. This makes them a great choice for backyard parties, camping trips, or any time you want to create a memorable ambiance. For just $7.99, it's hard to beat the value this product offers. It's fun, family-friendly, and incredibly easy to use. However, the lack of compatibility with propane systems is a minor limitation. Overall, the Meccer Fire color-changing packets are perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of flair to their fireside experiences without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Bayite 4-inch Survival Ferrocerium Drilled Flint Fire Starter. This is a must-have tool for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize preparedness and reliability. The ferro rod is made of high-quality ferrocerium, capable of producing 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit sparks to ignite a fire in virtually any weather condition, even in wet environments. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in a survival situation, this fire starter delivers dependable performance. The design is both practical and durable. The included 5-foot paracord ensures a secure grip, while the attached Striker Pro is crafted from tool-grade HSS steel, offering 6 sharp edges for efficient spark generation. This product is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack or attached to your gear. It's perfect for emergency situations, bushcraft, or simply starting a campfire, while the exact price wasn't available at the time of this review. The Bayite Fire Starter is highly rated for its durability and consistent performance. The only downside is that the Striker's efficiency depends on proper technique, which might require a bit of practice for beginners. But if you're looking for a reliable fire starter that works in all conditions, this is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lafiz 3-pack waterproof and windproof torch lighters. This versatile lighter set is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable source of fire for outdoor adventures. The pack includes 1 rechargeable USB arc lighter and 2 butane torch lighters, giving you multiple fire-starting options for different scenarios. The USB arc lighter can be used up to 300 times on a single charge, while the butane lighters deliver a powerful 2,800 degree Fahrenheit jet flame that's ideal for burning thicker materials. The design is compact and rugged, featuring a waterproof system with a metal ring-sealed cover and locking clasp. This makes the lighters highly resistant to water and wind, ensuring they perform well even in harsh weather conditions. They're lightweight and portable, making them easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your gear with the included lanyards. Priced at $16.99 for the set, these lighters offer great value, especially considering the variety and reliability they provide. However, the butane lighters require occasional refilling, which could be inconvenient for some users. Overall, this is a fantastic tactical gear addition for campers, hikers, and survivalists. At number 2, we have the HiHegd 250-piece survival kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for those who want to be prepared for any emergency, whether it's a natural disaster or a wilderness adventure. It includes 250 items, ranging from a first aid kit to survival tools like a knife, emergency tent, and fire starter. The upgraded EMT bag is made of military-grade, water-resistant nylon and features a MOLLE-compatible design, making it easy to attach to other gear. The kit is well-organized and portable, with everything packed into a durable 8 inches by 6.5 inches bag. The first aid supplies are thorough, including essentials like bandages, scissors, and tweezers, while the survival tools are versatile and reliable. This kit is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, families, or anyone who wants peace of mind in emergencies. While the price wasn't available at the time of this review, the sheer volume and variety of items make this kit an excellent value. The only potential drawback is its weight, which might be a bit much for ultralight backpackers. But if you're looking for a one-stop solution for preparedness, the HiHegd Survival Kit is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. This is the ultimate outdoor gear for adventurers who value comfort, versatility, and durability. Made from parachute-grade 210T nylon, this hammock is not only breathable, but also incredibly strong, with a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. What sets it apart is its 4-in-1 functionality. It can be used as a hammock, poncho, ground cloth, or shelter tarp, making it one of the most versatile products on the market. Setting up the hammock is a breeze, thanks to the included tree straps, carabiners, and guy lines. It's also lightweight and compact, packing down to the size of a water bottle and weighing just 28 ounces. Whether you're lounging by the lake or caught in a storm, this hammock has you covered with its quick-dry, weather-resistant design. The built-in storage pouch doubles as a hood in poncho mode, adding to its practicality. Priced at $29.99, this hammock offers exceptional value for its quality and versatility. The only minor downside is that it's best suited for a single user, though a double version is available. For anyone looking to elevate their outdoor experience, the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock is a top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.